Yes, I wrote this song to pay tribute to those road warriors of the Flint Hills, the Dirty Kansas bicycle race every year. They get out there and courageously go after this thing. It's quite an amazing race. My inspiration for this song was my grandson Austin, who helped, and my son Tommy, who helped and inspired me to write this. I hope you enjoy it. The name of it is If I Don't Wind Up in the Ditch. Well, we started out in Old E-Town just a few long hours ago. Been pushing pedals, been shifting gears, and we still got a ways to go. Well, my legs are cramped and I'm saddle sore, but I ain't gonna call it quits. I'm on the Dirty K and I'll make it all the way if I don't wind up in the ditch. On my rusty old, trusty old Schwinn 3-speed, from the days of my youth. Well, it's about 10 speed short of what I need, but I got a little hope. Oops, there goes another spot. Well, there's a maniac in a Cadillac. He comes speeding around the bend, throwing up rocks and gravel and stuff. And man, this dude ain't my friend. Well, I find him up beside the road, up ahead, just a-sitting there in the ditch. I waved to him with my Kansas bird. Hey, dude, karma, it's a sign of a gun. On my rusty old, trusty old Schwinn 3-speed, from the days of my youth. Well, it's about 20 speed short of what I need, but I got a little hope. Oops, there goes another spot. Last verse. Well, it's the last few miles of the Dirty K, and E-Town's around some turns. I'm full of power bars and Gatorade. I got energy to burn. It's a pretty scary thought. You better check and see what's coming up from behind you. He's in the zone. He's on his own. He's a middle-aged man in light grub, on his rusty old, trusty old Schwinn 3-speed, from the days of my youth. Well, it's about 30 speed short of what I need, but I got a little hope, not much. Oops, there goes another spot. Man, the wheels are getting wobbly on this thing, and where'd that dog come from? I'm coming through.